All right, this is a classic pre-calculus exam question. Okay, so we just gotta just break down all the parts. How you understand everything about this question? We just gotta. What is theta represent? What is that usually? Is it a side, an angle? Let's draw a triangle, Adrian. I drew a right triangle because we're talking about sine, right? Here's your hypotenuse. Now let's talk about this angle right here, okay? So according to that angle, what's this? Is it opposite or adjacent? That's right. What about this? Okay. So I'll clarify some things. This theta is always an angle. Okay. Now this is telling us that the sine of theta is 2/3. So they're giving us some information about this triangle. What is the opposite side? What's sine? Okay, is it what's as far as SOHCAHTOA goes? What is it? Opposite, adjacent, hypotenuse. What's sine? I just teach them, Sean, to write f of g of x in a parentheses, and then go g of x first. What's sine? That's right. So notice we need to match this up with this. So what is the opposite side? What number goes with the opposite? 2. That's right. And what's the hypotenuse? All right. Now, what does it want here? It wants, what is it asking you for, Adrian? Okay. And what's tangent? Tangent is opposite. Okay. So then we need to find the adjacent, right? Yeah. How do you find this side of a right triangle? Pythagorean theorem, baby. Remember geometry? A squared plus b squared equals c squared? Yeah. Ready? So 2 squared plus adjacent squared is 3 squared. Okay. Next step. What's my next step?
You take the 4, you make it a minus 4.
That's right.
And put it
on. Final step, Adrian.
Divide.
No. What's the opposite of squaring? That's right. All right, so A is radical 5. Okay. So what's the tangent of theta? Opposite over adjacent.
2
Okay, that's a fine answer, but you know that like your college professor may not want radical 5 on the bottom. So then, if you left it like that, I'd be fine with it. But what they want you to do is multiply it by radical 5 over radical 5. So what do you have on top? 2 radical 5.
So you're going to take g of x.
Radical 5 times radical 5. That's right. So that's the best way to write the answer, but that's an okay way to write the answer as well. Does that help?
Yes.
All right, boom.